That is one big box. Can you pronounce that name? Ogery? I think that's how it's pronounced. But I'll leave it up to you. Welcome everybody, just a quick video here around camp. I've shown this product off before and how versatile it is, but I was stupid. It came with a tripod and I busted it right out of the box. So Ogery, the company here, contacted me and go, "Oh, what happened?" And I said, "Oh, I was stupid. I just messed up and I was not able to use the tripod because, well, I'm clumsy." They told me, "Well, you know what? We cannot send another tripod because we don't do it separate. But what we can do is give you what's in this box." I said, "Oh, really? You're going to send me a box? It's got to be something good in it." I said, "Of course, we're going to send you a brand new tripod mount for the light, but also the light." So look at this, the Ogery camping light, which is that right there. Just so happens now I have a second light. So now I got two Ogery lights plus something that I plan on not breaking, taking it out of the box, which is really weird because this thing is so sturdy, it's almost impossible to break, but I can do the impossible. I can break the impossible. You don't say. Yep, that's true. I could do the impossible. But look at that. Brand spanking new. So I got one hanging right there. That thing right there has been amazing. What an incredible light. I mean, check this out. This all pops apart. Let's see if I can do it one hand. I can. So you can adjust these lights any way you want, kind of like a shop light. There's 3 of them. Look at this. Look at that. I think it's great. You could just adjust it any way you want. It stays perfect. And it's waterproof. It has been out here through several Florida storms, just like this one's going to. Issue is, it's winter time here in Florida now, so it's a brisk, like 72 degrees. No rain, because it doesn't rain here in the wintertime really. So this one here is going to see less rain than that one has already. But hurricane season next season, oh, it'll get a workout. On is fairly simple. It just threads on just like normal. But if you look, there's magnets, also a hook. So there's multiple. You don't have to use the tripod, which is fine. Well, here, let me show you here on this other one. I'll put that down. See, I flipped the hook out and just hang it. Oh, come on, get off there. Get off. There we go. But you can just fold the hook down. Oh, it's got to go that way. And then, yeah, so you can hang it by the hook. Has magnets on it. So you can just stick it on any metal. Or you can use the included tripod. And they really did think of everything. All use cases. It's a great shop tool. It's a great camping tool. The electricity goes out during a hurricane. You got some extremely bright lights. I don't know how many hours it goes for, but you just charge it up and it just goes. You can leave it going all night, a second night all night, a third night all night, and then it might start dying down a little. But that thing's bright. This is how I broke the last one. When I took it out, I was just pulling the legs apart. You don't need to pull the legs apart. There is a button here. You just pop it. You just press the button and everything comes out. That's how you're supposed to do it. You have a proper tripod, and that thing, it goes a lot taller than that. I just opened them up about halfway, but at the moment it is actually even just a little ways it's taller than me. It's pretty good. It's set down, it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. But if you are worried, it's a high windy day and you're worried about it going somewhere, hang it from your awning or use the magnets. It's not going anywhere. They got you covered. This thing, what a great product. Never thought you needed it until you needed it. Thank Ogery for sending this to me. And if any of you guys want this product, there'll be a link in the description below. But if you're a full-time nomad, you live in an RV, or you're a camper, because this thing will fold up, goes away really small. You can put it in your backpack if you're tent camping. But what a great product. Like I said, I never knew I needed it until I needed it. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in. I got to get to work. I'm going to leave this up. I'm going to go charge it for a little bit. Then we're going to have 2 out here just lighting up this camp tonight. People all over the campground are going to go, where's that light coming from? Did the moon land on the earth? Because that's how bright this thing is. And I'm going to go, nope, we got Ogery lights. Peace, everybody.